Imagine you're on a phone call with all of your best friends, मस्त हंसी मजाक चल रहा है and after a very long time you all are free at the same time. You're thinking कि भाई मेरी life कितनी मस्त है यार. But guess what? जिंदगी में कभी धूप है, कभी छाँव, कभी खुशी है, कभी गम. That phone call turned out to be the last phone call with all of those friends. All of a sudden, no one's talking to you, no one is telling you what happened. Your DMs are all empty, जिसमें कभी messages भरे हुए थे, and ये दुनिया जो कल तक इतनी भरी भरी लग रही थी, आज उतनी ही खाली लग रही है. But you start to like this खालीपन, and it turned out to be the best thing that ever happened in your life. Hey peeps, it's Archie and welcome back to my channel, Archie's Life Capture. So after talking a lot about Liz's life and many other celebrities, मैंने डिसाइड किया कि अब थोड़ा अपनी लाइफ पे वापस आ जाना चाहिए. वो बात अलग है, उस पर व्यूज बहुत अच्छे आए थे, बट हाँ, I want to try different types of content. So welcome to a new series called POV Euroteen in India. In this series, I will talk about all the experience that are faced by a teenager in India that no one really talks about. And आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about something that our elders are obsessed with and जिसके बारे में हम लोग बचपन से हजारों essays लिख चुके हैं. संगत का असर. Does it really affect a person? So 1 year back, I had a lot of friends and I was a part of a huge friend group, but सिर्फ नाम के लिए. I never felt included. I was always left out. So I thought the reason I was not included is because something was wrong with me. Because I was the boring one and I was the one जो हमेशा शांत रहती है. And I tried my best to fit in. I put these people up on a pedestal which they didn't even deserve, and I wanted to be like them just to feel a part of the group. If these people played sports, I would play sports even though मुझे sports का S भी नहीं आता, and I was not interested in sports at all. I ignored me and all of my passions, and I even picked up on all of their habits, their insecurities, and one day I just woke up and I wasn't even me anymore. अब मैं तो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी इसी में निकाल देती, but thankfully भगवान ने बचा लिया because God has better plans than mine. So after that conference call that I talked about in the start of the video, I texted my best friend who was actually one of the members of that friend group, and she gave me a very rude reply. And I was confused कि मैंने तो सिर्फ हालचाल पूछा, इसमें मैंने ऐसा क्या ऑफेंसिव बोल दिया जो मुझे ये रिप्लाई मिला. But then I just got confused and I blocked her. I didn't know what to do. Then I texted another person कि भाई हुआ क्या है, and I realized that I was already blocked from his side. Then I just stopped reaching out to people and I was wondering कि मैं ये कौन सी दुनिया में आ गई हूँ. Then one friend told me that my best friend was upset about something and that she has decided to cut me off, which by the way I don't know the reason behind till this date. मेरे पास सिर्फ assumptions हैं and 10 different people tell me 10 different reasons about why she was upset with me. Then slowly I just fizzled out of the group and I was really alone. But it was a huge turning point in my life. When you're eating lunch alone, nobody's texting you, and you're standing alone in a corner of a room that's filled with people, you become the most resilient and strong person. You can handle everything on your own, and most importantly, you start to know about yourself. You start to enjoy your own company. The old Archie didn't know what she likes, didn't know what she's good at, and she wasn't self aware. She had no goals, no aims, and she had the worst friends ever who just drained her energy. And she had the most horrible self image. She thought that she was boring and she was an introvert. And now the new Archie knows what she likes and what she's good at. Like the reason I started this YouTube channel again, and I won a debate competition recently. and my self image has improved. I'm not afraid to speak up anymore. I'm not an introvert anymore. And the friends that I have right now are 100 times better. They genuinely make me happy, they push me even further, and they uplift me. I participate in a lot of school events now. I'm not invisible anymore. Like one time, my friend even said, "कि भाई तुम अभी तक कहाँ थी? You've missed a lot of opportunities." And I said, I know, it hurts. I missed a lot of opportunities just because I was afraid of being judged by my own friends. तो मेरी इस दुख भरी कहानी से हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि when our parents say कि choose your friends wisely because संगत का बहुत असर पड़ता है बेटा, तो मान लेना चाहिए. Think about your friends. Do they uplift you or they shrink you? You should know the difference between a Sacha Mitra and an Asteen ka Saap. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you all in future videos. Bye.